Come fly over Hell's Canyon, the deepest river gorge in North America. Yes, deeper than the Grand Canyon, about 2,000 feet deeper actually. Hillcrest Aircraft Company will take you to some of the most beautiful untouched scenery your eyes can possibly see, including the mouth of the Salmon, the Seven Devils, and the River of No Return. You will be able to witness history as you are flying right above where Chief Joseph and the Nez Perce tribe crossed the Snake River. What are you waiting for? Book with us today to enjoy a smooth one-hour flight over some of the most breathtaking landscapes on our planet. Hell's Canyon.